Overcoming Dependence, Your Journey to Freedom. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're addressing a significant topic that many of us face: dependence. Whether it's on substances, behaviors, or even relationships, the journey to overcoming dependence can be challenging, but it is absolutely achievable. Let's explore some practical steps to regain control over your life. The first step in overcoming dependence is recognizing that it exists. Ask yourself, how is this dependence impacting my life? Acknowledging the problem is essential to initiate change. Next, reach out for support. It's crucial to surround yourself with a network of people who understand what you're going through. This might be close friends, family, or professional help like therapists or support groups. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Now, let's talk about setting realistic and achievable goals. Instead of aiming for drastic changes overnight, start small. For example, if you're trying to break a bad habit, gradually reduce it rather than stopping all at once. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Finding healthy alternatives is crucial. Discover new activities that bring joy and fulfillment to your life. Exploring new hobbies, exercising, or volunteering can shift your focus away from dependence and onto positive experiences. Developing coping strategies is another powerful tool. Mindfulness, meditation, and journaling can help manage stress and cravings. Consider incorporating practices like yoga, deep breathing, or even simple walks in nature to calm your mind. Lastly, commit to the process. Change takes time, and setbacks may occur. It's essential to remind yourself why you started this journey. Keep surrounding yourself with positivity and lean into your support system when times get tough. Remember, overcoming dependence is a step-by-step journey. Be kind to yourself and seek help when needed. You have the power to transform your life. You are not alone. Take the first step today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more supportive content. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step you take is a step toward freedom.